You know what? We better get a move on. We're gonna miss the ferry.
We better get going.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, look, we're here. It was exciting. I'm so happy that we get to spend part of our day here in Bear Island. I know that your family spend a lot of time here, and it's been a while. It's probably been about 15 years since I've been here.
Oh,
and
really?
What a cool ferry ride too, right?
Yeah, I love the ferry.
That was a crazy cool ferry ride over to the island, don't you think?
Absolutely. The first time that we came to Bear Island was exactly right after we bought the house and we brought the kids, and they absolutely loved it, especially the ferry ride. We just kind of spent the day as a family here at our own beach, you know? We're used to a crowded beach where we were.
Not bad for a $6 ride over
Not
here to
bad
your
at
own
all.
private beach.
Not bad at all.
If we were dressed a little differently, we could take a walk down to the other side where the beach is, but I'm going to take a hard pass on that, just considering
Same.
okay. Have you ever been down here at Riverside Park?
I have not.
I kind of had a feeling that you hadn't, so I had to bring you down here only because with your littles and I've been liking to fish and new experiences and your proximity down to the downtown area. This is one of my favorite little secrets of Swansboro, and you get to take in all the scenery in the water. Do you think you'll bring them down here?
Absolutely. I appreciate you bringing me down here because it is absolutely beautiful. And like you said, we love being next to the water. It just kind of takes me to my homegrown roots of being on the coast. So you've shown me your favorite place in Swansboro. Let me show you mine.
You definitely have piqued my interest with that. Let's go see your favorite place in Swansboro.
Awesome, let's go.
All right, let's go. So this is your favorite place.
This is my favorite place in Swansboro.
Let's cheers to that.
Cheers. I'm so glad I was able to bring you here. This is one of my family's favorite spots.
I think this is a really good way to wrap up the day.
Definitely was.
I don't think we should have too many of these though.
Probably not.